Hello everyone, this is Phil here with the brand new 2026 Tucson. We're going to go ahead and show you how to adjust all the sound adjustments today in the Hyundai Tucson Limited. In order to go ahead and adjust your sound in all the settings, you're just going to go right into sound. And then once you get into sound, you'll see you have all these settings here. The first one's going to be premium sound. You can actually adjust how the sound comes out while you're driving, okay? When you speed up, the sound will get louder. You could turn that on or off right here just by swiping. The next one is going to be startup maximum volume. So most people don't want their volume to be very loud when they start their car, but you can adjust that here by turning this on or off. When you get to the next one, which is position, you can position your sound either right, left, up, or down for your listening preferences. If you want to get it right back into the center, you just press that button there. You also have the next one, which is tone. This is going to adjust your treble. You could do it by the plus or negative or by sliding it. Same with your mid-range, same with the bass. You could do them all three right here. Next button is going to be your guidance. That's going to have to do with your navigation. When your navigation is, your phone rings, pardon me, and your navigation is on, it will dim the navigation so you could hear what's going on, or it'll make the navigation a little bit louder so you can overcome if you're going to miss a spot that you have to turn, okay? The next one is navigation volume priority. So this will lower the volume when your media is playing, okay? So you could turn that on or off there. You can also mute the navigation for 10 seconds just by pressing the button on the steering wheel to activate that. And you could turn that feature on and off as well. And then you also have a welcome sound, which provides the audible tone in your cluster. Okay, so you could turn that on or off as well. Okay, the next one's going to be your radio noise. You're going to have original sound, maximum noise, or maximum noise reduction. You have your choice on whether you want to adjust those or not just by hitting either one of these buttons here. Your driver's assistant is very easy to use. Again, you can slide it, or you can do a positive or negative, and this will beep the sound, how loud the sound is going to be on your warnings. You also have a haptic on your steering wheel vibration warnings. You could turn that on or off just by hitting the button or sliding it. You also have lane safety audible warning. You could turn that on and off. You also have driving safety priority, and that lowers all the audio volumes when you're driving. It gives you the warnings, okay? So you could turn that on and off and if you'd like, okay? That'll be for your blind spot monitoring, okay? Parking safety priority, you can also turn that on or off if you choose. If while you're parking, it'll lower the volume for you. So you have all these options that you can do in here. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that is very compatible with. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the box below and we'll see you soon.